everybody, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time joining me, my name is Jason, and as you can see from my little opening, I do unboxings. And in this video today, we are doing a new box to me. This is not a beauty subscription, this will not be one of my spiritual type boxes, and it will not be another Harry Potter box. Today what we have is my first tea subscription. So if that's something that you're interested in seeing, then keep watching. All right, let's get into it. This is a company called Tea Drops. And if you're not familiar with Tea Drops, and I'm not, this is gonna be my first box. It is a subscription company that, or a box, it's $25 a month, and you get a combination of decaffeinated and caffeinated. I think you can choose the box that you want. You can choose whether you want decaf, caffeinated, or like mystery mixed. So this one should be the surprise me type box where it's mixed with both caffeinated and decaffeinated. Now I do know that this company, I'll put the information down below in the description, but I believe that some of the proceeds from this company go to help supply water in places that are, you know, like poorer places that don't have fresh or running water, places like that. So it is a company that gives back to the environment, which I really liked. Again, I'll link the information below. And the interesting thing about this tea company, what drew me to them was they don't do tea bags. It's a tea drop. So you'll see when we get into the mystery box, or to the box, I'm sorry, the subscription box, that you don't have that wasteful tea bag from all the other teas. So you drop the tea drop in and it dissolves and you consume the whole thing. So there's no waste, which is a good thing. So without saying anything else, let's just go ahead and look at the box. Now it came in a brown mailer box, but inside the actual box looks like this. Okay, so tea drop, and we've got tea drop company, lift for a pear tea. I don't know what that means. Anyway, they did have some extras in the box. So on the outside of the box, they had 4 extra drops. The drops look like this, come in little packages like this. Okay, so you just open the package and drop the whole drop in. This is Thai tea. And then they had, I think these are some of their holiday flavors. This is chocolate gingerbread. I'm really interested to try this. Then they have apple pie. That sounds wonderful too. And they have vanilla white tea. Okay, and then they also had, I don't know what this is. This is a glowing blend of hibiscus, rosehip, cinnamon, and tart cherry. Tea sprinkles, caffeine-free, unsweetened. So I'm not exactly sure what these tea sprinkles are, but I don't know if you just add these to another tea to get that flavor. But I'll experiment and see, and I'll let you know in the comments or maybe a follow-up video. So once again, $25 a month. And this card came outside the package. Okay, on the back, get rewarded with our loyal program. So let's see what's inside the box. When we open up the box, this is what the inside of the box looks like. Okay. I'm gonna assume that meet our classic teas. Okay, so these are all the classic teas. I don't know if these are the teas that are gonna be inside the box. We shall see, but it smells really good. Recipe for Life, Tea and Chat Club. This is a little booklet. Let's see, on the back they've got some recipes. The front, this is what the front looks like. And those are the teas. So let's see what flavors we've got in here. So on the top here, we've got sweet peppermint. That sounds really good. And looks like we've got 4 of those. So 4 sweet peppermints. And then we've got these more tea drops. These look like, oh, this is, okay, it is another tea drop. This is strawberry shortcake. Strawberry shortcake tea drop. Oh my goodness. And it looks like we have 3 of those, maybe 4. Let me see what's under there. Yeah, there are 4 of those as well. So that, oh, I'm definitely, after this video, gonna try some tea. This is, we've got some Ugly Xmas Sweater, Supernatural, I don't know, it looks like just little sprinkles that you might put in the tea. I'm not quite sure. It almost looks like cake toppers, like cake sprinkles. It says soy-free, no artificial dyes, no palm oil. Tacky sprinkles, cringe-free ingredients. It's our version of your favorite Christmas sweater, just a little less itchy. Speaking of Christmas sweaters, this is the first time that I've been able to wear this. So, let's see here. There is that. Then we have, our next is matcha green tea. Okay. I will give it a try. I'm not a huge fan of matcha, so, but I'm definitely willing to try it. Then we have chai spice. And again, I'm not a huge chai person, but I'm definitely going to give these a try. And then let's see what this, ooh, check out. I wonder if this is like more stuff or if this is just, let's see, let's move these sprinkles. I apologize again. I've got new new nails on this time. I took the other ones off after a few days, but I'm trying them again, these new ones, so. That's just a box, okay. So this was in the box, and I thought maybe that there was something in it, but it's empty. It's just part of. So those are the extra teas that they gave us. So we've got, let's see here. Inside the box we have, it looks like 12 teas. Yeah, so we've got 12 teas in the box. And we have the little sprinkle, which is the gift or the extra item. And then they gave us the 4, oh no, I'm sorry, we had 16 in here. I forgot that these were also in there. So we had 16 tea drops in the box and with the sprinkles. And then we had, like I said, the extras on top that I went over in the beginning. And that'll do it for this video. This is my first box from them, so I can't speak as to how the teas taste. But like I said, I'm gonna go try one now. Let me know what you think of this box, and if this is a subscription that you would be interested in. Let me know in the comments below. Other than that, please do me a favor, if you will, like and subscribe to my channel. I'm growing, and I do have to give a shout out. I will put her information in the video, but one of my newer subscribers, I hope I say her name right. I think it's Johana, or it's Johana. I'm not exactly sure, so I apologize if I get that wrong, but I'll put her information up there. She was so nice to recommend my channel to her subscribers, and I really do appreciate that. I really feel that we need to support each other more and not necessarily have all this competition. There's enough people out there to watch everybody. So thank you so much. Thank you to her and any of her subscribers who have now subscribed to my channel. I welcome everybody, and I hope everybody's staying happy, staying healthy, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.